The error code 8 on a Bosch coffee maker indicates a technical issue with the machine's brewing system, which can be caused by an inadequate water supply, a clogged filter, or a system glitch. To resolve this issue, it's essential to try a few solutions. If the problem is due to a system glitch, simply powering off the machine, unplugging it, and letting it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before restarting it may fix the issue. Another step is to check the water supply system by unplugging the machine, draining the water reservoir, and inspecting it for damage, as well as checking the water inlet valve and supply pipe for any kinks or bends that may be restricting water flow. Any damaged components should be replaced, and the machine reassembled before powering it back up. Additionally, inspecting the filter by unplugging the machine, accessing the filter, and washing it with a clean brush and water if it's clogged, can also resolve the issue. If none of these steps work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance to get the coffee maker up and running again.